Oh my gosh, we are having hail right now. Oh my gosh, ice cubes, look at that. Ice cubes. Today is Monday, February 27th, 2012, almost 6 o'clock. This is unbelievable. I've lived here almost 36 years. This has never happened before. Oh my gosh. It looks like snow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. God. Now I'm on the front. My street is white. Front yard. Even the front porch, there's hail. Okay. It'll happen in about 5 minutes. Looks like snow. That's hail. Came down in just a few minutes. Just before 6 o'clock tonight, February 27th, 2012, Monday. The sun actually started to come out around 4 o'clock, and then all of a sudden you hear rain. And then it sounded like ice cubes were hitting the house. It is cold. We are having weather in Southern California. I probably shouldn't walk. I might slip and fall on this. Better not. Gosh. Ice cubes on that chair. Oh my gosh. Here comes Sam. This is his first experience with ice cubes. What do you think, Sam? Gotta check it out. Gotta check it out. It is cold. Ugh. Freezing. Wish it wasn't so dark now. It's like white. Now I don't know how good this is going to be for the grass. Trying to get it green again. Ice cubes everywhere. Oh. It's getting dark. Can't see anymore.